Hello and welcome to the Rule 36 video. Rule 36 focuses on the signals to attract attention. Rule 36 states that if necessary to attract the attention of another vessel, any vessel may make light or sound signals that cannot be mistaken for any signal authorized elsewhere in these rules, or may direct the beam of her searchlight in the direction of the danger in such a way as not to embarrass any vessel. Any light to attract the attention of another vessel shall be such that it cannot be mistaken for any aid to navigation. For the purposes of this rule, the use of high-intensity, intermittent, or revolving lights such as strobe lights shall be avoided. So what this rule is stating is that you can use light signals to attract the attention of another vessel, but the lights that you use cannot be mistaken for any navigational aids. So by that, you cannot use any flashing lights or strobe lights. Now this is very important because in your efforts of trying to attract the attention of another vessel, you don't want to create confusion to that vessel or any other nearby vessels. Alright, congratulations on completing the Rule 36 video. Now this was a much needed break, a short, easy, quick rule, especially after the complexity of the last rule. Just keep studying your notes, you're making excellent progress, and when you're ready, I'll be waiting for you in the next video.